Verification on 1xBet is important. It keeps your account secure and ensures smooth withdrawals. Here's how it works. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration. Choose one of the 4 available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. Once you log in, go to menu, personal profile, and enter details section. Here you need to upload proof of identity like your passport, national ID, driver license, citizen's passport, etc. Then you need to provide proof of address such as utility bill or bank statement. In some cases you might need to verify your payment method too. And after you submit documents, the 1xBet team reviews them, usually within 24-48 hours. And actually, that's it. Once approved, your account is fully verified and you can withdraw without limits, easy and secure. And if this video was useful, put like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.